Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you could be notified every time I'm on YouTube.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pooja. I know I didn't upload any video last week because of some reasons, and I would be sharing all those reasons in coming months. So today's video is going to be an interesting one. It's about accessorizing your hairstyle. So I'm pretty lazy when it comes to accessorizing or styling my hairs, but I always try to put in extra effort whenever I'm on vacation. I try to do something fun with my hair. So today I'm going to create some DIY hair accessories with the stuff I already have at my home. It won't take much of your time. You just need to carry some stuff with yourself and you can create these easy DIY hair accessories on your vacations. So now let's get started with the video. Pearl hairpin. So pearl hairpins gives a minimalistic yet classy look to your hairstyle. So for this you need some really thin copper wire. I didn't find any, so I bought this electric wire from the hardware shop and pull out some copper wire from it. Then I need some pearls and few bobby pins. Now push a pearl in the wire and push them together in the hairpin and start twisting it like this. And here your hair accessory for the date night look is ready. You can also experiment this hair accessory with different types of beads and gemstones. Flower girl headband. So flower accessories adds a lot of color to the whole look. For this one, take a plain black headband and some fake flowers. Just pluck some flowers from your artificial flower pot or get some paper or foam flowers from stationery. You can either stick them using a glue on headband, but I have flowers with wired stems, so I'll just twist it around the headband to create a bunch like this. Just go and try this hair accessory on your hair whenever you are on beach vacation. Trust me, this will just make your entire look much more better and beautiful. Now this one is the easiest one. All you need is some flowers which you can pick from your old flower pot and some U-pins and you're done. Just insert one end of the pin in the middle part of your flower and pin it on your hair like this. Isn't it looking gorgeous, summery and so apt for beach vacations? The last hair accessory is the one I picked from my craft stationery items. I created this when I was in Goa. I was just trying to create a hairstyle using these pipe cleaners. So for this hair look, what I did is I took front portion of my hair and start twisting, keeping the hair towards the back. After that, I'll start wrapping around the pipe cleaner from the bottom till the top end of my hair. Now I'll make it secure by bending the pipe cleaner with the hair at the top point and take both the section of the hair and pin it at the back and your hairstyle is ready. So that was all about today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching my videos. Do let me know in the comment section below, do you like this video or not? और मुझे ये भी बताइए कि आप कैसी videos देखना चाहते हैं. If you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe to it and hit on bell button. And if you like this video, hit on like button too. See you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.